Hey, George, do you know who I am?
Mr. Bowlds.
Mr. Bowlds, that's right. Do you know what I do at school? What do I do at the school?
You work here.
I do work here. That's exactly right. I do work here. Do you think I work a lot or like a little?
In the middle.
In the middle? That's pretty true. Okay, so tell me, who's your teacher this year?
Miss Rosa.
Miss Rozier? Okay, tell me something that you have learned this year.
Well, I learned how to read.
You learned how to read? Do you do your sight words and things like that? Mm-hmm. Tell me one word that you've learned how to read this year.
I'll give you a hard one.
Okay, give me a hard one.
I'll spell it.
Oh, you want me to spell it?
Yeah.
Okay, and you
Spell
try
it.
to... Okay, what about D-A-D?
Dad.
George. Okay, you probably don't know M-O-M though.
Mom.
Oh my goodness. Okay, last one. This is a hard one. D-O-G.
Dog.
George, you are too smart. Okay, so let's see. You were a beginner last year, and you're in pre-K 4 this year. Do you know what grade you go to next year?
Kindergarten.
Kindergarten. Oh my goodness. That's where you get to stay all day. Do you stay all day now? Do you go to ASAP, or does your mommy or daddy pick you up at like lunch?
Well, I went to ASAP one time.
One time, stay at ASAP one time. Okay. Well, George, in a couple weeks, we're going to have something called an open house at our school. Do you know what an open house is?
No.
Do you have a house? Okay. So if you were to open all the doors, you'd kind of have an open house, right? You'd have like dogs and birds and stuff flying through. But what we do is we open all our doors here and we let little boys and little girls who don't go to Stratford come into our school and see Stratford and see what we're doing.
Yeah, I've had one of those before.
You had one of those before?
Yeah,
That's great.
And my friend's little sister went to my classroom.
Oh yeah, and did she see your classroom? Yeah. Do you have any friends that don't go to Stratford? Do you have friends that go to other schools?
Well, I have a little brother. He doesn't go to Stratford.
That's right, but he's coming next year, isn't he?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's what we're excited about. If you were to tell one of your friends what you love most about Stratford, what would you tell your friend? What do you love the most?
I like to play outside.
Play outside? Have you been watching our new playground that they're building? I know, it's going to be open in a couple days. It's going to be really exciting. You know, we're going to have a tricycle track around it that you actually get to ride a tricycle on. It's pretty fun. Tell me about science. Do you do science with Miss McCain?
Yeah.
What are y'all learning about right now? Do you know?
Magnets.
Magnets, that's right. I saw that. Well, you're supposed to hold your clipboard, right? And weren't y'all like graphing different types of magnetism with your magnets?
No.
No? Oh,
No,
okay.
we were doing stuff with magnets.
You're just doing stuff with
We
the
were
magnets.
attracting and repelling.
That's pretty impressive, George. Do you think Stratford is the best school? Yes? What are we? We're the Stratford. What's our mascot? What are we?
Go, Stratford Eagles.
That's right. That's one of my favorites. One of mine is Eagles in the front. Let me hear you grunt. Eagles in the middle. You remember that one? Yeah, that's one of my favorites. We sing that a lot in our house. Who's your favorite person at the school?
My friend Phillips.
Phillips?
And Bunny.
And Bunny? Oh yeah, do you know Phillips and Bunny? Yeah, they're brothers and sisters. We love Phillips and Bunny. Okay. What about teachers? Do you have a favorite teacher?
Miss Rosa and Miss Vicky.
Oh, Miss Rozier and Miss Vicky. We love Miss Rozier and Miss Vicky. Those are good ones. Oh yeah, George, what do you want to be when you grow up? Do you know?
A football player.
A football player. Maybe you'll play football for Stratford in a couple years. Wouldn't that be fun? What position do you want to play? Do you know?
I want to play a wide receiver.
Wide receiver? Oh, you know what you want to do and you know the position. High five. That's awesome. Would you want to play for like Georgia or
Georgia.
Georgia? Are you a Bulldog? Do you like Georgia? Oh, really?
They're my favorite team.
They're your favorite team. What do you think your little brother wants to be when he grows up? Do you know?
He keeps doing different things. A baseball player, then a football player.
He just can't make up his mind. What does your dad do?
He works.
He works. What does he do? Do you know?
The same thing as you.
The same thing as I do. Okay. Okay, George. Well, I really appreciate you talking to me today. Give me a fist bump. We're glad you're here.